Blinding.
Is that the dart?
That's not the dart. That,
What's
my
this?
friend, is the FSR Rebel SC.
SC.
Short course, baby. Check out the detail.
It's pretty bright.
Anybody who knows me knows I don't like short course trucks.
What are you doing with that?
It's in the box in which it came.
Ah.
How good is that? And we've got them in different colors. I think there's blue, orange, and green.
Mm-hmm.
And these are very familiar chassis and frames, componentry, so FSR. So if you know us at Hearns, you know how much we love the FS Racing Victory and the FS Racing Sniper, right? Truggy. So you've got the Victory monster truck, you've got the Sniper Truggy, and then you've got this short course. And they're all the same vehicle. They've all got the same underpinnings.
So just mix a few bits.
So they mixed the long chassis from the Sniper, the narrower arms from the Victory MT, and stuck this nice body shell on it. Boom, short course.
Right.
So you know, that's what I was impressed about it. You know the underpinnings are going to be good. And you know it's going to be fast. This is a 3S ready-to-run car. And this comes with battery, charger, transmitter, everything. So it is ready to run. An unbelievable value. But have a look at what I was impressed with most, Beach, when I saw it, was that, let's go to the overhead. How far can I pull out? Look, it has got the crash bars on the roof.
Oh, so when you're rolling, because these always roll.
Yeah, these always roll, right? Short courses, and you always just bust the bodies. But it does have the inner skeleton. So it's got reinforcements around the body posts. Yep. And it's got skid plates on the top. So the light pod acts as a skid plate, as well as the crash bars on top, the roof racks.
It's got a rubbery bit here.
Yeah.
What's a rubbery bit?
So when you're not getting stuck into gutters and that.
Oh.
And it's got the LEDs. Look at the big row of LEDs. It's blinding.
They're bright.
Really, really cool. And on the back of the body too, so I didn't want to run over a little car. I really like the matte finish and the detail. Really, really nice. And it's got the venting there, so anybody who's ever played with a short course know how much they parachute or they sort of sail when they jump. But it's got these here vents, and I'm sure that it's been engineered so it jumps nice and stable. Really good features. 4-wheel drive platform, and it's one of my favorite boxes that I've opened this week.
Looks pretty good.
It does, doesn't it? Unbelievable. So yeah.
You have venting at the rear as well?
Told you fumes, right? As soon as you mention
got
fumes,
twin venting.
Twin venting.
Twin venting.
It's got a single vent at the front for input.
And twin vent at the rear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Talented. There you go. I love it. That is a FSR Rebel SC.
I like it.
Lithium powered monster.